Race pace training for these guys. Now it's the kids, the 15 below category. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 go. Up, 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 up. Hey, hey, hey. Go, go, go. Habol, habol, habol. Go, Lexi. Alright, go. Lexi's ahead. Go, Aries. Go. Go, Aries. There's Aries. They're up against boys. Big boys, actually. Go, 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 go. AC, dikit. Go, Aries. Let them pass, Aries. Good job, good job. Nice one. Go. Alright. Okay. Lexi has broken away from the group. Go, Lex. Go, go. Here. It's up against this boy over here. Go, 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 go. Lexi, sweet spot. Sweet spot. 4 laps to. Go, Aries. Go. 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 There's Aries climbing. Okay. Nice one, Aries. She did not walk the climb. Good job, good job. Good job, Godwin. Go, habol, 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 Lexter. Alright, go, go, go. Nice one, nice one. Nice one, AC. Go, go. Okay, there. Go, Aries. Body position, body position. Good job. Nice one, nice one. Go, AC. Body position na in advance. Body position in advance. Go, nice. Maintain speed, maintain speed. Dapat, op, op, op. Sorry, AC. Sorry, sorry. Dapat ma-maintain mo yung speed from the top, AC. Dito pa lang. Hindi mo kinokontrol dyan sa baba. Wag mo na ano yun yan. Ready. Dandahan dyan. Alright. Mountain biking is not easy. Alright, go. Sorry. That's Lexi, second lap. She's up against a big boy. Good job. Nice one. It's a 16-year-old boy already. Lexi's 12. So it's a good training for her to be pushed by male and bigger opponents. There's Lexi. Wow. Wow. Okay. There's a climb there. Switchback climb. Let's see if Lexi gets it. Easy peasy for Lexi. No dismount at all at that switchback. Nice one. The guy dismounts. Nice one, Lexi. Nice one. Sweet spot. Still find your sweet spot. This is the 3rd lap. Okay. It's a good battle between Lexi and this boy. Good job. Here's another boy. Go, Lexi. Last lap, ha. Sweet spot. Find yung, anticipate yung areas kung saan pwede sila mag-overtake sa'yo. Alright. Okay, protect your lead dyan. Protect your lead dyan. Oh, somebody's down. One boy's down. Godwin, go! That's a tough climb. This switchback climb over here. Good job. It's hard. Good job. Nice one. Go, 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 go. It's hard. It's a hard switchback climb. So, that was no... Okay, dismount, John. Dismount Aries. Yes, Aries. Alright. She's gonna walk it up because she's just recently converted into cleat shoes. So she's still getting used to it. Climb up. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Nice one. This is good training for the kids to be as young as now to be going through this tiring situations. Stress. This is inoculate. I call this inoculated stress. This is stressing their body out and they become stronger. Stress makes us stronger, makes our immune system stronger. So this is good training. Good job. We call this threshold training. This all increases the threshold. Okay, that's a tough downhill over there. Let's see if Aries clears it. Go. Control speed. Control speed. Control speed. Good job. No problem for Aries. She's 9 years old. By the way, she's 9. Good job. Up, up, up. Alright, walk it up. Walk it up. Go, AC. Good job. Alright, go, Aries. Go, 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 go. Push. Push. Alright, here's Lexi. She's in a big lead now in the last lap. She maintained her. Oh, AC, AC, move, move. Okay, go, 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 go. Nice one. Up, up, up. Alright, it's okay. Tired, tired. Okay, good. Climb up. Ayan yung kalaban mo. Habol, kuya, habol. Last lap to, last lap. Go, go, Lexi. Push. Nandyan lang sa likod mo yung kalaban mo. Go, 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 go. Sakay kagad. Sakay kagad. Good job, good job. Nice one, nice one. Good job. She clears. Oh, she clears her down there. Okay, good. Nice one. Nice one. Go, go to the finish line. To the finish line. Lexi will win this race. Good job. Nice one, nice one. Good job, good job. That's the oh, nandiyan na Lexi. Nasa likod mo. Nasa likod mo. Sprint. Nice one, AC. Good job. Last lap na yun, AC. Last lap. Good job, kuya. Here's the boy. These are... Okay, good job.